There's one right there.
Yeah,
But you gotta get over there first.
You want to walk around first, or you want to just start grabbing?
Either way, we're gonna start.
There's a whole gang of them over there. You see
yeah,
them?
but they're gonna get scared. Where are they gonna go up in the tree or in the water?
Hold on, you see how big they are? Let's walk. Oh, look at this giant over here.
Where?
Look how many there are. You see how many there are?
There's a time. Oh Lord, that's how it is over there in my crib, dude. Look at that big head over there. Look, the big head by the tree.
So we can make this fast. We can just grab a couple real quick.
Yeah, but you make it seem so easy though.
Look at that big giant right there.
I know, that's what I'm telling you with the big old head. Let's see where they go.
You see how they're about to go up the tree?
Oh, look at that nice.
There's one by the water over there.
Look at that nice green, dude.
Look at that green one over there.
You see, it's a shiner.
I don't want too much orange. I'm gonna go for this one first. You see this one on the right?
Oh, that's like a nice size.
Yeah, it's big, but it's not orange, so it's not too rough, I think. Yeah,
no,
right.
You got too comfortable,
hold on, relax,
dude.
relax.
Don't ever get too comfortable. He knows.
It's the wind.
Yank him. There you go. Keep it pulled. Keep it pulled. Remember.
I got him. Could be a female.
Keep it tight. Man, a lot better than the first time we got one of them.
It makes a big difference the more practice you
Eric
get.
got him like nothing now, dude. That
When was the
first
last
day
time-
was funny, dog.
When was the last time you went out with me? That first
It's
time?
been a while, I know.
Look at that big boy over there.
I guess I'm like a lizard. Come here. Look at his head.
This is a female, I hope.
Why is his head blue?
She's shedding.
Is this mating season or something?
No, not yet.
Wow.
I definitely want a male because they're actually more beneficial for a soup. They're healthier.
Where is it that you know the difference of male and female?
The head size. And then in the bottom, you can tell, I'll show you right now. In the bottom, they have pheromones, like these dots. The males have them more pronounced.
How many are you grabbing today?
Just two.
Just one?
Just two.
Two?
I'm gonna make a soup.
Wow. I thought that second time he was already, that's it. You weren't gonna get him.
Oh yeah? No.
Yeah, I thought he knew better.
That was pretty smart, but the tail's pretty good. See, look, this is a female, but you can't really tell. The males, you can see like white dots here through the leg. This is
Look at that green, dude. Shining.
Yeah, I'll probably make.
You can't use the skin?
Yeah, I use the skins. I make
That's
hats.
a nice color, dude.
I want that male right there. You see him waiting for me?
I don't like the color, though.
You see that male waiting?
I don't like the color.
Of the male?
That brown one?
Yeah. Gold. He's golden color.
Yeah, he's too smart, dude.
But he's not too smart.
He's an OG right there.
He's not too smart. He's looking for his female. I'm going for that one. I'm going for the one you want.
He feels trapped. He feels trapped.
I know. I'm going for that one. You ready?
Which way do I go? Right here?
Yeah, like get a good view of him. He's gonna run.
I know he is. He's about to. Oh, you might have a chance. Your only chance.
It's that wind.
Let him walk right into it. Let him walk right into it. Just set it in front of him. Put it right in front of him. Let him walk into it.
I'm trying to. I'll relax.
You're too nervous, dude.
I'm using one hand. Hold on, relax.
No, because he's trying to come over here.
Hold on, it's the wind.
Go. No.
Got him. You got him recorded?
Uh-huh.
Get closer. Record him closer.
Don't let him go, dude.
I got him. He's gonna start jumping around.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
Nah, he's not that big. He just has that nice
All right,
color.
just keep him tight, dude. Don't bring him over here,
Get closer.
dude.
You
I
don't
got him,
want
dude.
You scared of these guys?
He won't bite?
Nah, he'll flip around. He'll try to bite.
He'll open his mouth, but he won't bite.
He'll try to bite.
Does he got teeth?
If you let him. They got small little teeth.
Oh, those are the worst, dude.
But he's already off the loose. He can escape at any moment.
Those little teeth are
And
the worst. They're
he's an
sharp.
alpha male, so he's gonna try to bite more. He's got a good tail.
He won't turn around and try to bite, huh? Like a little
Come and
crocodile.
learn. Come and learn, huh?
Chill out, dude.
Come on, we started out together. You were the first one that came out with me. Come here.
Yeah, I know, dude.
I've learned a little bit something. Remember I was
I
scared of
think
these?
it's big, dog.
Remember I was scared of these big iguanas? This one's not even that big.
Be careful you don't do one of
But
those.
these you gotta be more worried because they're faster. So they're like 20-year-olds. So they're stronger and they want to be free. See how you try to bite me?
You think he's trying to bite?
Yeah,
Put your foot on his head.
No, I got him. He's going for the water. I let him focus on the water.
That's their defense.
Water and trees.